In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email automatically in Pipedrive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First things first, before we dive into the main steps, let's make sure your email inbox is ready to go. You'll need to have it connected to Pipedrive already. This ensures that all your messages can be sent directly from your account, streamlining your communication. So take a moment to check that connection. Once you've confirmed that, go ahead and log in to your Pipedrive account. When you're in, look over to the left sidebar menu and you'll see an icon with 3 dots. Click on that, and from the drop-down options, select Automations. This is where all the action happens. Automations are a powerful way to keep your workflow smooth and efficient. Now that you're in the Automations section, look to the top right corner of the page and you'll find an Add Automation icon. Click that to start creating your process. This is where you can set up a workflow that will send emails automatically based on various conditions. Next, we need to define what triggers your email to be sent. Here, you have some flexibility. Click on Set Trigger and you can choose between an event trigger or a date trigger. For instance, an event trigger might be something like when a deal is created or when it's moved to a specific stage. Alternatively, you could choose a date trigger if you'd like your email to go out related to a deadline or some scheduled milestone within your workflow. Make your selection based on when you want those emails to be sent. Once you've set your trigger, it's time to choose the action that takes place when that trigger occurs. Click on the action field and select Email, then choose the option to send email. This is where the magic really begins, because you're now setting up your automated email response. Now comes perhaps the most personal part, composing your message. You want to capture your recipient's attention, so take your time here. Start by writing a subject line that's both engaging and relevant. Then delve into the body of the email. Remember that personalization is key. You can use placeholders, such as including the contact's first name or the deal title, which adds a warmer touch to your message. Also, ensure that the recipient is correctly set based on the trigger record, meaning it should be the person associated with the deal who receives this email. After you've crafted your email just the way you want, it's important to double-check your workflow. Review the visual setup to ensure your trigger is properly connected to the send email action. This step may seem small, but it's crucial to ensure that everything flows perfectly without hiccups. Once you're happy with everything, navigate back to the top right corner and click Save to make your automation live. And there you go, you've successfully set up an automated email sequence in Pipedrive. Thanks for tuning in today. Remember to make use of automations to keep your processes running smoothly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Happy emailing!